Bueno dia, mi gente. Today, I'm going to go ahead and try and install these RGB car LED strip lights. It comes with four, straight in the package. You can either connect them through USB, or it comes with a actual cigarette lighter that you can decide if you got a USB or you want a cigarette lighter. It comes with a remote, so you can change the colors. And it also comes where you can download the app and connect it. I'm going to find out where the best place is going to be. I'm going to go ahead and stick them underneath my dash here, just so I can have some interior lights. And I'm going to see if maybe putting them underneath the seat or maybe underneath. Let me see what I decide, and we will do it together. Alright folks, here's the final outcome. Sorry I didn't get to show you the wiring. Wiring's a pain in the butt. But as you can see, I ran the power supply cord through here. Probably leave it like that for now, and then eventually I'll cut it and run it through the fuse box so I don't have this wire here. But it works pretty good. Love the way it looks. The blue matches my interior. As you can see, the lights are there. Lights are on the sides on both. And gotta lower the music. I don't want to get copyrighted. But you can change the colors from the remote. You can change it off your phone, or you can change it off the switch, which I have it underneath the dash, because I'm not going to be using. But like I said, I think it looks pretty neat. For something like $15-16, I think it was, on Amazon. If you're interested, let me know, and I will give you the link to the page. Let me see what else was there on here. Yeah, see, I can't show you. Here's a remote, but I can't show you. Oh, there we go. Because it has to kind of be open, but being that it's not. Here's green. There's different colors you can pick. There's the blue. There's the white. Orange. That's what color is that? It's like a baby blue. Purple. So it's pretty cool. And then it also dances with the music. Different four tones with music. Different jumps, fades, auto. It's pretty cool. Nice little simple setup. Like I said, if you're interested, let me know. I'll put the link below. And till the next time, like, share, subscribe. Let your friends know. And I'll upload more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.